you're experiencing a stuck loading screen in PUBG, this guide will help you troubleshoot and resolve the issue effectively. Follow these steps to get back into the game smoothly. Step 1. Restart the game. Close PUBG completely and relaunch it. Sometimes, a simple restart can resolve temporary glitches that cause loading issues. Step 2. Check server status. Visit the official PUBG server status page or community forums to ensure that the servers are operational. If the servers are down, you may need to wait until they are back online. Step 3. Update the game. Make sure that your game is updated to the latest version. Check for updates in your game launcher and install any available patches to fix bugs and improve performance. Step 4. Verify game files. If you're playing on PC, use the game launcher to verify the integrity of game files. This process will check for any corrupted files and replace them, which can help resolve loading issues. Step 5. Adjust graphics settings. Lower your graphics settings in the game options. High settings can sometimes cause performance issues, especially on lower-end systems, leading to longer loading times or freezes. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve the loading screen issue in PUBG. If problems persist, consider reaching out to customer support for further assistance. Happy gaming!